E7 Engadgets offers a range of benefits from convenience and efficiency to enhanced comfort and entertainment. Save time by performing tasks efficiently, giving you more time for leisure. The Milclock clock is a vintage-inspired timepiece that elegantly combines modern technology with retro aesthetics, featuring Nixie tubes. This clock displays the time with a warm and nostalgic glow. With meticulous craftsmanship, it adds a touch of mid-century charm to any space. The clock offers various display modes and customizable settings, providing both functionality and a unique visual experience for enthusiasts of classic timekeeping devices. The tube clock brings a blend of vintage charm and modern aesthetics to your room, instantly elevating its style. The warm glow of the Nixie tubes creates a unique ambiance, making the space feel both cozy and sophisticated. Your clock instantly elevates your space with its stylish design. Say goodbye to concerns about charging your Xbox wireless controller. This gadget brings convenience and ease to the charging process, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Charging indicator, amber lighting when charging, and white when fully charged. The Verge has dubbed a Badu's controller line as a range of excellent retro-style game controllers. Is to produce premium quality game controllers with ultra compatibility. Dynamic secure charging, providing a seamless and effortless charging experience. No more fumbling with cables. Just snap it into place and enjoy uninterrupted gameplay. On its functional benefits, the controller's unique and cool design adds a touch of style. An iPad docking station offers numerous benefits to enhance your device's functionality. Equipped with 4 USB ports, including 1 USB-C and 3 USB-A ports, plus a 3.5 audio jack. Incorporates the latest D-card reader for seamless data transfer. It features key wireless charging for iPhone and AirPods, along with an optional independent Apple Watch charger. This station seamlessly integrates with pencils, offering a versatile workspace for creative tasks. Unleash your creativity effortlessly by using a pencil to draw on this device, adding a whole new dimension to your experience. Plus, it's versatile enough for your work needs. Effortlessly attend video calls, engage in meaningful conversations, and seamlessly multitask with work on this versatile device, enhancing both your communication and productivity. Snaps magnetically for perfect alignment, ensuring a strong and stable charge every time. 8-in-1 charging ports. 45 deg flat plug easily slips behind furniture. Charge seamlessly through magnetic cases compatible with iPhone 12. Plug cables and power cords into the back and use front-facing magnetic charging pad for charging. Effortlessly open with the fun and innovative magnetized floating lid. As introducing the Revov magnetic rotating tray box. Seasoned crafted with precision, the Revov magnetic rotating tray box is ingeniously designed to be your go-to solution for organizing daily essentials. This thoughtfully engineered tray box seamlessly combines functionality with aesthetics, providing a dedicated space for your everyday items. Whether it's keys, accessories, or small essentials, this organizer ensures that everything has its place, making your daily routine more streamlined and efficient. Elevate your organization game with the Revov magnetic rotating tray box, where style meets practicality. This versatile lamp is more than just an atmosphere light. It combines 15 fast wireless charging, a Bluetooth speaker, music playback, sleep light, bedside light, glare effects, Bluetooth audio, clock, alarm clock, and more into one sleek device. You can customize sound, volume, light color, and brightness through app, personalize healthy sleep and wake-up routine. I'll click the bell button to switch between 10 light color modes. Other 256 modes and 16 million light colors can be adjusted through app. Easily adjust the light's brightness with continuous gradual brightening. Office chairs are essential for comfort, productivity, and preventing health issues in the workplace. Thus, introducing Newtral MagicH Ultimate Solution to comfortable seating. Neutral's adaptive full back support system that addresses neglected pain points such as lower back pain, poor posture, herniated discs, and muscle tension and fatigue. The upgraded system supports the entire back in any position, including forward-leaning postures, and can be adjusted or locked for optimal flexibility and comfort, reducing stress on the spine by 2050. Newtral MagicH, featuring auto-adjusting header support, reduces the risk of neck strain and injuries. With adjustable and lockable features, it ensures personalized comfort for users. The detachable desktop in Newtral MagicH facilitates comfortable reclined work or relaxation, offering convenience and utility for work or gaming. It can be easily removed when not needed. And features an innovative divided stress zone cushion, enhancing sitting comfort by reducing thigh pressure and improving circulation. Varying foam densities in different zones provide a more ergonomic sitting experience. Neutral's updated foldable footrest addresses poor blood flow, back pain, and leg discomfort caused by chairs without footrests. It allows users to relax and stretch their feet during prolonged work, promoting comfort. Extended armrests adjustable to preferred height and angle provide arm support, reducing fatigue on arms and shoulders. The smart accordion lamp addresses the challenge of inflexible lighting by providing an adjustable and stylish solution, offering customizable illumination to suit various needs. Being available in 5 vibrant colors: green, pink, gray, brown, and turquoise. Transform into an African zebra with its customizable design. We convert into a lantern light using the included magnetic lanyard, providing a versatile lighting option. At the romantic dining ambience with this lamp, its warm glow creates an enchanting setting. Also, soft illumination transforms your bedroom into a serene haven, promoting a cozy and tranquil atmosphere for ultimate relaxation and comfort. The customizable light adds a personal touch, making it the perfect bedroom companion. Gate, inspired by the future of technology, features 5 full-color LCD displays. This futuristic lighting decor adds vibrant colors to your room and workspace. Connect to Wi-Fi for automatic online financial updates, displaying real-time stock or cryptocurrency prices. Provides real-time weather updates. Customize pixel art with our app, featuring DIY images, animations, and scrolling text. And specialty clocks also display your phone photos with the photo gallery option, adding a personal touch to your space. There's a pixel animation feature that adds dynamic visual appeal to its screens. Its sci-fi design and technological aesthetics make it a must-have desktop accessory to your gaming room, office, or any room. A cool and stylish gadget that enhances any room's aesthetic appeal, creating an engaging and visually appealing environment.